pull that back slowly and just keep coming with it. So I am out in the alley right now. That's the main line where they come together, pulling it up through what looks to be about an 8 or 9 foot riser. Actually more than 8 or 9. Okay, we're in a 4-inch clay lateral here, coming back towards the house. Diego?
Yes.
Push it forward, just clear my lens. Okay, pull it back, it didn't. Line looks to be in pretty good shape, could use a bit of cleaning. Okay, now see if you can. Go forward a couple feet. There we go. Now come back slow. That's better. There's some buildup in this. It's definitely got some kitchen line and stuff in it. Good deal. Thank you.